I'm Dhruv Singh. I enrolled into the Java DAD course and learned the Java SC. The Aptech has been the place from where I learned to code. It has always been the place where the concepts are cleared very easily, whether you are a beginner or a pro. It has always been a place where the teachers and the faculties are so experienced that the in-depth concepts too are always explained and illustrated in an easy manner that you can get all the concepts without even getting to know that you have learned all the language. My experience here has been great, and I'm thankful for Aptech for being such a great institution and teaching all the students and getting them into the technical field.